Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix this problem on Discord. Let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all long press on Discord app, tap and hold, then tap on I button, tap on storage, clear data, clear cache, OK to confirm, go back to previous page, scroll down and tap on app permission. Make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one. Then go to your home page and go to Play Store, search here Discord, update your Discord app if it's available for updates, then open your Discord app and before restart your phone press and hold power button and reboot or restart your phone. By doing this process you can successfully solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.